What's up, guys? This is the one that I make my own safety lock. So right here, so kind of weird, but this one you can order this one online. Like I don't know how much is it, but I do it myself right here. It's worth it. So now I'm gonna put it this one in, in the panel board and how it works. All right, check it out. All right, here we go. Let me get this through. So this one's live now. So kind of really tight right here. There's three screw right here. So I want to make sure this one's work. Right here. See. I think I need to adjust it. So right here, I'm going to try to adjust. Make it loose like that. So make sure it's good. I think now it's good now. Believe, yeah. It's loose now. It's good. The window how tight. So the window you tight this one. never go up because this is off. So right here. So the first switch is a generator right here. So the next was dryer AC. So you can never down this one. See, that's how it works now. See, once the power shut down, so off this one, turn it off, then this one must go up. So this one must be locked right here. This one. Then this one must go on. But before that one, before you run the AC, the what you call this, the generator power, so you have to shut down first. Shut down. If, let's say there's no power, shut down. Same thing. Shut down every single of this. Shut it down. Shut this one first. Shut down. Then when you shut down, you have to go up. This lock. Then this one must be on. This one is locked already, so you can never go the power it on because it's locked. So this one must be blocked right here. So it's more safety, and maybe I'm gonna put right here. If I'm gonna go up, I'm gonna put lock in here. It's like a door. Just a door lock right here. Probably make sure that it's safe. So it's up to you guys. Which one do you want? You put lock, whatever you want. Then once this one is on, this one's locked. So it depends on how capacity your generator. Then which one do you want to on? Let's say lights, whatever you want. So it's just minimize. So like what I said, if you want to get a bigger wattage, the better one, you can function this everything. But if your generator is not enough watts, so pick which one do you want, like dryer, what you call the shower, heater, whatever you want. So this is the one I make, this one, safety lock. So now they know that the public, the one who make this one, they know already that this is safety lock. So they know already that there's an outlet generator, so they know it's for safety. All right, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like this video and you like my idea. So hit the bottom, subscribe, thumbs up. Please don't forget to share this video. Maybe it can help you guys, the one with no knowledge about electricity, whatever, electrics, something like that, just like me. So you can share this video. Maybe it can help. But if you're not really sure, so hire an electrician. Okay guys, thank you.